5:45 now. One of the lawsuits filed last month against Camp Mystic by missing camper Cile Steward's family will have its first day in court soon. Steward was one of the 27 campers and counselors killed during last summer's catastrophic flooding while attending the Curry County camp. Here's Amanda Henderson.
A lawsuit against Camp Mystic is getting its first day in court.
We know that these camps have been combed over by law enforcement, by experts, by lawyers for months.
Now the legal team for the family of Cile Steward, a camper killed in last year's floodwaters and not yet recovered, will make their case before a judge. They're asking for a temporary restraining order, which would not only stop construction at Camp Mystic, but keep it closed until their lawsuit is resolved. KHOU 11 legal expert Carmen Rowe explains the significance of the hearing.
I think the court's clearly acting diligently to deal with this in this case and maybe help others to understand how it will be dealt with going forward in other cases.
Camp Mystic's license is only valid until March 31st, according to Texas Department of State Health Services records. They have until that date to apply for a new one. In a statement, one of Camp Mystic's attorneys, Michael Watts, says in part, quote, "We disagree with the misinformation in the legal filings regarding the actions of Camp Mystic and Dick Eastland, who lost his life as well. We will thoroughly respond to these accusations in due course."